Hi, I'm Dave Custable with TriVAN Roofing. We've been in business since 2001 and commercial roofing is our specialty. We're up on a roof today in Dallas at the Gateway Charter Academy, where we have a solution here for them to do a flute fill using the Rewall coverboard product. We're an elite contractor with Duralast, and the roof solution we're going to have here is a flute fill system. It allows us to maintain the standing seam roof without having to tear it off and actually make that roof a deck by filling it with iso insulation, covering it with the Rewall coverboard, and then putting a 50 mil Duralast membrane over the top of it and encapsulating the roof. A roof system is where you use the product, all of the product components, accessories, installed to the manufacturer specification, which is backed up by a manufacturer warranty. It's an excellent product with a warranty that's by none others, with consequential damage coverage. And it's not just because of the product, it's also by the way it's installed. One of the benefits of Duralast over any other PVC or single-ply manufacturer is it's white on both sides. That means you have the reflectivity, but you also have no absorption of heat inside. This is cool to the touch on a hot day like today where it's 100 degrees. This building is more energy efficient now with a Duralast membrane on it, no heat going into it, as opposed to other types of roofing products where it's just way too hot even to the touch. We're making a weak roof, metal, be a strong roof deck by securing it with the Rewall coverboard and a Duralast membrane. Duralast makes for a great roof system.